Hi, I'm Helen Gillespie with LabTube TV, and I'm talking today to Bob Voelkner with Labvantage Solutions. So Bob, can you tell me a little bit about the Labvantage Solutions and the Sapphire?
Yeah, will do. So Labvantage is actually a multinational software company, and we specialize in laboratory information management systems. We have a global presence, a little over 500 employees, thousands of customers who are happily using our product today.
Great. And tell me about Sapphire, and you had a SQL LIMS acquisition a couple of years ago.
Sure.
How does that integrated now with the Sapphire product?
Right, so in Pittcon 2010, we actually introduced the acquisition of the Applied Biosystems LIMS business, the SQL LIMS product line. And what we did is we merged that into our company, brought our two companies together, our products and our customers and our employees. And over the last 2 years, we've actually been merging the two systems together. And at this Pittcon, we're actually introducing Labvantage 6, which is the culmination of that whole process. So the capabilities of the SQL LIMS product line and the legacy Labvantage LIMS are now together in one technology base for all of our customers. And we now call that Labvantage 6.
Do they share a common code base now?
So they're actually one technology platform. So instead of two different technologies, they're actually one technology base. And the nice thing is we've been able to take some of the really unique functionality of SQL LIMS and add it to the Labvantage LIMS. So our Labvantage customers can take advantage of that, and our SQL LIMS customers can take advantage of the features that Sapphire had that SQL LIMS did not have.
Excellent.
You know, in 2011, we made another acquisition of another LIMS company called SoftwarePoint. And SoftwarePoint brought a lot of other technology capabilities to our LIMS, including instrument automation. So now in Labvantage 6, we can hook up any instrument in the laboratory, whether it's a simple instrument or a very complex instrument, using that technology, and that's now part of our technology base.
So it was more than SoftwarePoint, which was based in Norway.
That's correct. It was Northern Europe. That's
Northern
right.
Europe. So more than just bringing in their customer base as well. It's bringing in new technology.
Yeah, they're a software developer as well, and they were doing value-added software technology to our product line. And now that it's part of the Labvantage family, we're able to embed it, include it into our standard product.
Excellent.
In addition, they've also now brought a laboratory intelligence mechanism called LIMSview, which allows a high-end data warehouse view of the information that's in LIMS and non-LIMS sources into one dashboard to make more intelligent decisions with laboratory data.
Excellent.
You know, and additionally, what we did in Labvantage 6 is we've also are now supporting multiple browsers. So we're not tied to Windows application technology anymore. We can use browsers from Apple and other, from Google Chrome, for instance. And that allows us to support non-standard desktop PCs. We can look at iPads and other internet appliances in addition to your normal Windows PC for accessing the LIMS.
So
the software works identical on all those platforms.
You can access Sapphire solutions from your iPad, your iPhone, the desktop.
Right. Your Mac Air, whatever you'd like. So you have a lot more flexibility and some freedom. So if you start adding all that together, there's quite a bit of flexibility and uniqueness with the product. So not only does it help our current customers, but it also helps our potential new customers, because it's really the most functionally complete product that's out there and the most flexible.
Is there a key marketplace you serve, petrochemical or pharmaceutical?
Those and really any others as well. So there's a wide range of customers that we're serving. Pharmaceutical, food and beverage has been a lot of recent activity. We're into environmental, energy, plastics, paper, really you name it. If they have an analytical lab, as well as into other areas like biological specimen management, so biobanking. We're getting into clinical diagnostic applications as well. So the system is very extensible into different environments, and we're able to serve it with one platform very easily instead of multiple platforms.
Great, thank you.
And it's been really good for us as well, because even just from last year to this year, we've grown our business over 40%, close to 45%. And in a down economy, that's actually a pretty great achievement that we're really proud of.
That's a great achievement.
Yeah.